Good afternoon, Kevin Doverspy, Kevin Stock and Real Estate, Remax Premier Realty. Thanks for joining me today. Want to go over the El Camino Walnut villages of Irvine for the sales month August 2020 versus 2019. We're going to discuss for both El Camino and Walnut villages, units sold, units on the market, median pricing, average sales price, and then the highest property sold. Going to touch base a little bit, State of the Union, kind of what we're doing, what's going on. Still historical low rates. I mean, it's just crazy seeing these things at under 3%. 30-year fixed, 2.75, almost a full point drop from the beginning of the year. 15-year rate is 2.375. And then that is making, with those rates so much lower, the payment is 15 to 27, 28% less than what it was. So really it's a great opportunity to be getting in, and we're seeing a lot of people that were sitting on the sidelines that are getting in. Pricing is still moving okay. We're seeing some of the properties going up 4 to 6%. Sales up, basically a nice increase versus what we were seeing for the last couple of months. Units are, basically only 42 units different, 2,505 versus 2,547 for last year. August sales numbers are good. September we're seeing a good increase in it also. Active listings down proportionately. We're still seeing a month and a half, 2 months worth of inventory is all we're at. Coronavirus is having less of an impact. It's still impacting everything, but the real estate market is really kicking in the rear here, getting back. People are out buying, and we're not seeing a big increase in inventory. Units are going pretty much as they're coming in, they're floating back out. So we're not seeing an increase like we normally have over the summertime in the past. Things are good overall. We're seeing some good turnaround as to what's going on and what's happening in the marketplace. But the confusing thing right now is we're seeing coronavirus, the COVID-19. And used to be able to give you some updates that they would give us on a monthly basis, and they basically stopped doing that back in July. So we're really not seeing anything specific, but it's a hodgepodge of what we're seeing. I mean, they keep telling us cases are going up, but what does that mean? Cases are going up. Is there deaths that go along with it? And they keep changing the numbers as to what we're doing. The state, the county, and the city are confusing, I think, everybody. I mean, you talk to anybody and everybody, everyone has a different idea of what's happening with it. But, it's a lot of double talk. It's a political market right now, too, because we got the election coming up. So when we look at the Dow Jones is doing well. Started the month August 26,542, ended at 28,643. That was up over 2,000 points and closed just under 900 points from the all-time high, which was in February. So let's get into the numbers. Active listings for El Camino. Last year there were about 29 units. We're at 21 now. Down 8, down 14%. Sold units, one more than what we sold in 2019. We have 12 over 11. And then look at the pricing for the average price, 772 versus 754, up 17,000, up about 5%. So we said, we're seeing stuff between 4 and 8%. And then median price, basically a push, 0.6% difference from what it was. So we look at SFRs, it's a push, 8 over 8. And then we look at the attached units, one more unit than last year. So that makes it look really big, but it's only one unit, 3 over 4. And then we look at the range pricing, 448,000 for El Camino, and the highest sold was 1.2 million. And then we're going to get into the Walnut Village, and we're seeing active listings. We're at 11. We've been averaging about 8 right now, and actually a little bit lower than that. Units sold 6 over 6, so it was a push. Sold some lesser priced properties, $112,000 difference from down from 2019, 14%. But basically almost a push, 813,000 versus 827, so it's 1.7%. But units, 4 SFRs, 2 single family units. So that's for Walnut Village. And then the price range there was 405 versus 999. And then the highest property sold in Irvine for the month was the $3,850,000, a 5-bedroom, 6-bath, 4-car garage, just under 5,000 square foot, 4,999 square foot. Lot was 11,566 in Laguna Altera. So anyway, I appreciate you joining me today. Check out my other YouTube updates and podcasts that I've got going on. Kevin's Talking Real Estate. Give me a call. Let me see how I can help you with your real estate needs. I appreciate you joining me today. Have a great day. Let's talk. We all know these are just market updates. Your home is unique. It depends upon what location you are, the track you're in, the condition of the property, how fast you want to sell it, what do you want to do with your property, how you want to get it done. I specialize in working with sellers like yourself that are looking to optimize the price and how fast we can get this property sold for you. I have the trades to be able to get you stuff done and turned in a matter of weeks versus months if you had a regular contractor doing this. We in turn know how to negotiate the best price. I know what people are going to ask for, what they want to have done. You can't do everything, but you can do the things that are going to get you the biggest bang for your buck. I realize that there's a lot of people out there, but I am one realtor that's going to be able to help you get it done in a timely manner, and choosing the right realtor can make you a lot of dollars and cents.